Peak Original Equipment Technology Asian Vehicles Antifreeze and Coolant is a line of premium coolants specifically designed to match the technology and color requirements of Asian vehicles. The Peak OET Asian Vehicles Coolant is specifically engineered with the same phosphate-based organic acid corrosion inhibitor technology that's used to protect Asian vehicles from the factory. This range features Asian red, pink, blue, and green to provide complete coverage across Honda, Acura, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, Nissan, Infiniti, Mazda, Hyundai, Kia, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Suzuki. Each Peak OET Asian Vehicles Antifreeze and Coolant features a carefully engineered inhibitor package that will provide maximum protection against damaging rust and corrosion to all cooling system metals, including aluminum. Some benefits of Peak's Asian Vehicles Antifreeze and Coolant line include matches each Asian vehicle manufacturer's technology and color requirements, contains high-quality phosphate and organic acid technology corrosion inhibitors, and is free of borate, nitrate, silicate, and amines to provide maximum protection. Meets the performance requirements of ASTM D3306 and JIS K2234. Provides guaranteed protection for up to 5 years or 150,000 miles when a complete flush and fill is performed. Easy-to-read labels with vehicle lists and color-coded packaging that makes it easier to find the right coolant for your vehicle. Peak Original Equipment Technology Antifreeze and Coolant is available in 50/50 pre-diluted for topping off and full strength for topping off and flush and fills. Peak Original Equipment Technology Asian Antifreeze and Coolant, a perfect match for every Asian vehicle.